In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed an Excel spreadsheet in OneNote. If you've ever wanted to bring your Excel data directly into your notes, this tutorial will show you a few different ways to do just that, keeping everything organized and accessible in one place. To get started, open your OneNote page and go to the Insert tab. Here, you have a couple of options for adding Excel content. You can either insert a regular table or create a new Excel spreadsheet. If you choose to insert a new spreadsheet, OneNote will place a fully functional Excel sheet right on your page. It might not look like your usual Excel window at first, but if you click Edit, it will open in Excel with all the familiar tools and features available. Once you've finished editing, simply close Excel and your changes will be reflected in OneNote. Another way to achieve the same result is by using the spreadsheet icon instead of the table option. Click on the spreadsheet icon and select New Excel Spreadsheet. This gives you the exact same functionality as before, letting you work with a true Excel file within OneNote. Now, if you already have an existing Excel file that you want to include, OneNote makes this simple as well. Stay on the Insert tab, click the Spreadsheet icon, and choose Existing Excel Spreadsheet. Select the file from your computer, and OneNote will provide you with a few options. You can attach the file itself, insert just a chart or table, or embed the entire spreadsheet directly onto your page. By selecting Insert Spreadsheet, OneNote imports your Excel data seamlessly, allowing you to view and interact with it without leaving your notebook. This feature is especially useful because it allows you to display your data exactly as it appears in Excel, rather than trying to replicate it with a basic table in OneNote. It's also a great way to link your notes and spreadsheets together, keeping all your information in one convenient location. With a little practice, you'll discover even more ways to integrate Excel into your workflow, making your OneNote pages more dynamic and functional. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future tips and tutorials.